Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Xiaomi Mi 9 Pro with a broken display and a broken back cover. So let's go fix it. So first thing we're gonna do is try to evaluate the level of damage in this Xiaomi Mi 9 Pro, and David has already concluded that the broken display needs to be replaced. We don't know yet if this is still turning on, so we are gonna find out after we remove the back cover and test it with our replacement display. We'll remove some screws that holds onto the main board cover. I'm gonna detach some connectors. I'm gonna reattach the battery connector and test our replacement display. This is gonna be the moment of truth. Is this smartphone still alive? And it is. It is showing us the Mi logo, the Mi UI. So far so good, and it is indeed working. The display is showing us very vivid colors. Test the camera. Cameras are all working fine, both of them actually. David is in an upside down position, but he doesn't care. We're just gonna disassemble everything, remove the connectors. Battery is relatively easy to remove. That was quick. Underneath the battery, the connector for the display is where you can find it, so it's easy to pull out once we are done prying it off from the front. The adhesive on this one is aftermarket, and it is indeed replaced. The display is replaced with a fake one. So the fingerprint scanner, I believe, is not working. So this is an original part. You can see the difference there. So it's definitely not from our shop. So we are just saving this smartphone from a total disaster of a replacement display. Don't know where the shop is, so I'm telling you, not all repair shops are created equal. So go to your trusted local service center, or you can visit Sydney CBD Repair Centre for a peace of mind. We also give limited warranty, and we also give you options on the parts that you can install on your device. Gonna put our liquid adhesive. We're gonna install the new display right away. Put some adhesive on the top portion, I guess for the speaker grill. Gonna align it slowly, then press it in. So we're just gonna reconnect the connector for the display, make it lie flat against the inner housing wall. Press it in and reinstall the battery. I'm gonna use some adhesive tapes to hold on to the battery because the battery has been removed, so the adhesive at the back of the battery is not anymore as strong. Just gonna secure it, connect it to the main board, and I guess the main components are now installed. We're gonna put the cover for the camera, put the cover for the main board, screw that back in, and we're almost done. So if you have any questions, guys, if you have any hesitations on the kinds of repair that we do here in the shop, this is quite a rare case of having to rescue failed repair with a fake replacement part, but it happens. So for your peace of mind, you can visit Sydney CBD Repair Centre. David is an expert here, an honest man, and you can see him right on that camera test. He will do everything to fix your smartphone the right way. If he can't, he'll say it. You can't fix this kind of model, you don't have the parts. He's gonna be upfront about it. But at the end, you win, you save some money, and you get your smartphone fixed. Just like this Xiaomi Mi 9 Pro. So don't forget to like and subscribe. We repair lots of smartphones. We upload them here. You can use them as some sort of a guide, not really official guide. You can get some tips on how to open smartphones. But if you can't do it on your own, you can leave it to the experts to do the job that you can't currently do on your own. So thanks for joining, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you again next time. Take care of yourself. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.